Silver, often called the poor man's gold, has been quietly making waves in 2025. While everyone talks about Bitcoin, oil or stocks, silver is building momentum that could catch markets off guard. In today's video, we'll break down what's really happening with silver prices, why industrial demand is skyrocketing, and whether this undervalued metal could be the next big investment opportunity. Let's dive into the world of silver, a metal that's both ancient and futuristic. The current situation as of October 2025, silver is trading between $28 and $30 per ounce, hovering near multi-year highs. That's up significantly from early 2023 levels, when silver struggled to stay above $22. But what's behind this surge? Analysts point to a perfect storm, a mix of global inflation, renewed investor interest, and exploding industrial use. Unlike gold, which is mostly a store of value, silver is both a precious and an industrial metal. And that dual identity is driving the price action. The industrial demand boom. Silver isn't just shiny, it's essential. It's used in solar panels, electric vehicles, batteries, and 5G networks, technologies powering the modern economy. The International Energy Agency projects that solar manufacturing alone could consume over 30% of global silver production by 2030. That's huge, and with clean energy adoption surging, the pressure on supply is growing. Meanwhile, EV production is accelerating. Each electric vehicle requires up to 50 grams of silver for electrical components, sensors, and battery systems. As the green transition unfolds, silver demand could hit record highs, even as mining output remains relatively flat. Supply constraints and market tightness. Here's the catch. Global silver supply is struggling to keep up. Most silver is produced as a byproduct of mining other metals like copper and zinc. So when base metal mining slows, silver output drops too. According to the Silver Institute, 2025 is expected to mark the third consecutive annual supply deficit, meaning more silver is being consumed than produced. That imbalance creates long-term upward pressure on prices. Some experts even warn that if deficits continue, physical silver shortages could appear in industrial supply chains within a few years. Investment demand and market psychology. Beyond industry, investors are turning their eyes back to silver. With inflation persisting and global debt rising, many see silver as a hedge, just like gold, but cheaper and with more upside potential. Silver ETFs and physical bullion sales have spiked, especially among retail investors. Platforms that track silver coin sales report strong demand, with premiums rising in 2025. But there's also speculation. Silver is known for volatility. It can jump 10% in a week, or drop just as fast. Traders are watching key resistance levels near $31 and $33. If those break, we could see a technical breakout toward $35–40 per ounce. The geopolitical factor. Geopolitical uncertainty is adding fuel to the fire. With tensions rising in global trade, central banks diversifying reserves, and energy markets in flux, precious metals often shine as safe havens. And in 2025, that includes silver. Some analysts even argue that silver is underpriced compared to gold, based on the historical gold-to-silver ratio. If silver were to catch up, we could be looking at a powerful revaluation. So, is silver the hidden gem of 2025? It's not without risks. Prices could correct if industrial demand slows or if the dollar strengthens. But with tightening supply, booming clean tech demand, and rising investor interest, silver's long-term story looks brighter than ever. If you're looking for diversification beyond gold and crypto, silver might just be worth watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Do you think silver will hit $40 in 2025? See you in the next video, where we uncover more stories shaping your financial future.